Kia ora. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about our propagation workshop that's coming up this winter. It's probably our longest running workshop. Koanga's probably been teaching this workshop for more than 20 years, and it's a really dense one-day workshop, and we cover all the different strategies for propagation of fruit trees, as well as all the support trees for forest gardens. So we cover why and when you would grow something from seed, or why you would maybe do it from cutting, why you maybe would graft it or bud it, what your options are for rootstocks, all the different options. And then we cover how to do open ground production, how to grow things in pots, how to collect scion how to graft, how to grow your rootstocks, how to take cuttings, how to make a sandbox to do your cuttings in. It's a really full of loads of information, and you'll go home from that workshop with a range of rootstocks, cuttings, scion seeds, plant material to establish your own forest garden. So it's probably one of the most important workshops, especially if you're just going to be beginning serious food production for your family, and you're wanting to plant your fruit trees and your nut trees, as well as do it in a regenerative way with all your forest garden support species. And it's a really great way to start your orchard or your forest garden with plant material from this workshop. It's a cheap way to start an orchard. It's also an awesome workshop if you're wanting to save the heritage fruit trees in your own bioregion. So after this workshop, you'll be able to go out and find the old trees in your own area, your own bioregion, and know how to propagate them and grow them for yourself and whatever you want to do it for. Kia ora.